Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Dose. So today I'm going to create this hairstyle. This is one of my favorite hairstyles. So if you want to see, let's get into the video. So for this hairstyle you need 3 rubber bands, alright, and 1 rubber band like this. First we'll make a center parting. And now we'll leave some strands like this, and we'll take this section and tie a rubber band over here. Now we'll do the same thing over here. Now we will take these 2 ponytails and we will make one more ponytail over here with a rubber band. Alright, now we will turn this like this. Alright. And now we will take this forward. Now the rest of the hair you need to make a high ponytail. Take this ponytail very high, close to this. Alright? And for the trick, what you can do, you can turn your head down so that it comes over here, because we want it really very high. So now we will take our rubber band like this and we will tie this ponytail, leaving this ponytail. All right. I have pretty long hair, so I need to be very careful. Now we will take this ponytail, and from this section we will take this out. Now what we will do with this, we will just tighten this thing. So what this will do, this will work as a cushion, so it will give a support to this ponytail and this will give you a good volume. So now you can move this backward like this. And it will give such a nice volume. You can keep your hair like this, or you can take it backward, then also it will look good. This is one of my favorite hairstyle. This looks good with every outfit. And what you can do, you can, if you want to accessorize something, you can obviously do that if you are making it a party wear hairstyle. But I like this looks very classy. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to get the notification immediately whenever I upload a new video. So till then, take care. Bye guys.